right, y'all, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing hair in my garage. Yes, I just moved to this house. Don't do me. Don't worry about it. I ain't do my content room yet, but don't worry about it. We gonna get there. But anyways, today I'm going to be using a 7x7 lace. This is not a HD lace. This is a freaking lace I found in my closet. I done had this lace for 3 years. And today we're going to be doing something like beauty on a budget. And we're going to be using pack hair from the beauty supply store. This was a hair emergency. I was not able to get the wigs in time, so I had to make it do what I had. So the lace that I did have, it's a Swiss lace, light brown. And typically I don't like to use light brown laces on light-skinned people. I feel like it only looks good on dark-skinned people. I like to use transparent on light-skinned people, but we'll get there another day. I just really wanted to show you guys how amazing this looks with the content that I was able to capture, and really just show you guys overall the outcome. And y'all already know, of course, I'm using all IAmErickaJ products. Ain't nothing changed, and ain't nothing gonna never change. But I'm using the newest products on her hair. At the end of the video, you will see the newest products that are going to be dropping very, very soon. But like I said, I'm just really happy about how this whole style came out, because I really was expecting it to not come out as good as I thought, because it was a light brown lace. I got these curlers from Target. Target is my favorite store, but besides that, I really do love these curlers. They really are really, really good, and they're not expensive at all. I love them so much, and they get the job done. We were going for a soft, natural look with a little curl at the end. That's why I did a little layer at the end, and I gave it a little bump to the ends. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video, and stay tuned for more content, because it will be coming. And whatever you may like to see, put it down in the comments, and I'll make sure I get that done for you. See y'all next time. Thank you. Hey. Make sure you add to cart. I'm gonna make sure I put a little code in the description box for y'all. Don't play. TheErickaJProducts.com.